Okay, we're coming into Camping World. Do a little shopping. We're gonna check out a little bit of it's supposed to be like a little flea market, but it's a little, I don't know how I'm gonna pick this up. Airstream that was built in the 60s. Yeah, I had to come to Camping World, do a little shopping, and I got a coupon because we signed up for Good Sam. So I got a $30 coupon to spend. How exciting. We put these on our steps. They're like little carpets that go on each step. We got the rug kind. I like them. They did a good job. This is what we came for. A mattress pad, because ours is bad. That's moisture wicking, RV King. We replaced our shower head with one of these, and that was a really good investment because actually we got this one here because it reduces the water pressure, and so our water tank lasts longer and it doesn't fill up our gray tank as fast, and it has a real nice shower spray. This is the braking system we have in ours. It hooks up automatically to the brakes. You can adjust the pressure, and so then it hooks on the brake itself. So then when you press the brake, it's already wired into the car.
Okay, I believe $164.99 per, $149.99.
I bought one of these gen-turis, but I've only used it like twice. It keeps the ventilator exhaust away, and our generator is right under our bed.
Let me go double check that.
Everyone's always talking about their ice makers. Soon I don't use ice that much. This is the rubber roof cleaner I've been using, but man, that stuff is messy. Looks white stuff all over the sides of the RV, and that's the protector I've been using. I don't know if I'm going to get that again. Thinking about getting some of this in case I get a roof leak, like I accidentally tear. But they have another brand here. Got little patches up there. I had one of these, kind of chintzy, cheap, quit working. I got a new, better one. I highly recommend these water filters. It has improved the taste. I don't have to go get water anymore. We can drink water straight out of the faucet. It's a charcoal filter. But you've got to remember when you install it to flush it, because it comes out black for a little bit due to the charcoal in it. I have this Power Watchdog. It's nice. If you don't know anything about RVs, this is for protecting the electricity coming into your RV, and it's supposed to help you if you get a lightning strike nearby, and also if the power at the RV park is not right, it warns you. It saved my butt a couple times, from ruining my RV. It's very expensive, $300. The little app doesn't work very good though. We're going to check out a little bit of it's supposed to be like a little flea market, but it's a little called San Agustin Mercado. They have a few shops. Auto, San Agustin, shops, bakery, restaurants, market and bar open 7 days a week. Brunch, lunch, and dinner. Just gonna go check it out. Otherwise, not much to this place. Chips are so good. They're so warm, and the salsa is just beautiful. It's not too hot. It's just right. I don't know how I'm gonna pick this up and eat it like a taco. I don't even think you can. No. It's already leaking out the bottom. I got ground beef and green chili, chunks of meat. Well, I don't know. It is. Ground beef is not spicy. It's a Native American fried bread. Yeah, Native American fried bread. It's not like taco meat. Yeah, I kind of want it spiced a little bit. But I'll tell you, the whole restaurant's full of people that are Native Americans. So it must be very authentic because there's a lot of Indians in here. Cool. Okay, I'm going to take a bike ride on this loop that goes around the city of Tucson. Oh no, I'm starting to have second thoughts about this bike trail I've been using out in the desert. It's so risky. My good friend Mario, he wiped out the other day, landed on a cactus. Took about an hour to get all the cactus needles out of his body. Really, the electric bike doesn't work that good out there, you know, in the gullies. It doesn't work that good on the sharp turn. Plus, I had a guy yell at me yesterday and said, e-bikes aren't allowed out here. And there is a sign that says that, but I've ignored it and been riding out there for a couple of years. It takes 20 minutes to get to this bike trail. We're coming up here on the left to some boondocking land. And there's quite a few RVs out here. I don't know if you can see them. This one RV right here, they are there all summer long. I know you're only supposed to boondock for 2 weeks. You'll have to tell these people that. Soon I wonder how these people out here boondock and where they dump their sewage in their gray tank. They probably dump the gray tank on the ground. But where do they dump their black tank, and then where do you get more water? You know, I don't know of any place around here. There's another boondocking area over here that's pretty crowded. It's always packed with people. There's a lot of people boondocking in there.
Yo de lejos como una omniscia, le hice a toque suizo, homie. Pero en la cama nos comíamos y sabemos que eso era más que un hobby. Bebé sí que tiene la táctica, pero yo tenía la técnica. Él solamente te hace llorar, yo en la cama te ponía a gritar. Pero se perdió el interés, no es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. En la cama no llevábamos re bien, pero pa' mano siempre fue mero guisaje. Justo por eso se perdió todo el interés, no es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. En la cama no llevábamos re bien, pero pa' mano siempre fue mero guisaje. Llevo los recuerdos tuyos como un souvenir. Hay cosas tan reales que se tienen que decir. Amor no es solo un verbo, se tiene que sentir.
I don't know what kind of bird that is. I just saw a roadrunner though.
Siempre andas en casa por tu idea flow safari. La dueña del circo cuando entras en el party, pero se deprime en el hotel y prende mari. Yeah, yeah. Tú estabas mejor conmigo, si no pregunto a tus amigos, yeah. Pero yo sigo, es que tu arrogancia se volvió tu enemigo. Pero se perdió el interés, no es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. En la cama no llevábamos re bien, pero por mano siempre fue mero guisaje. Justo por eso se perdió todo el interés. toque suizo a mí. Pero en la cama nos comíamos y sabemos que eso era más que un hobby. Debe ser que tiene la táctica, pero yo tenía la técnica.
I rode over to Star Pass Boulevard. My bike's battery's about halfway gone already, so I don't want to go too far. I run out of battery before. I'm at a point here where you can see the downtown and you can see the river. I don't know if I caught it in that in the video back there or not, but I had a road runner run across the road in front of me. And once again, I didn't see the coyote. But let's check out this valley. It has some water in it, this gully. Check that out. And then there's the downtown. Here's downtown Tucson. This trail goes right on down into downtown. And this little park area here. There's the sign that shows downtown's a mile away. Speedway Boulevard's 2.2. And look, there's a trail on the other side too.
Pero se perdió el interés. No es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. En la cama nos llevábamos re bien, pero pa' mano siempre fue mero y sabes. Justo por eso se perdió todo el interés. No es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. En la cama nos llevábamos re bien, pero pa' mano siempre fue mero y sabes.
I made it back to the Jeep with battery to spare. I really like it when towns have places like this. The one in Denver, you have to cross some roads. This one, there was no road. Bridges went all underneath. So it's a great ride. Lots of good exercise. Well, we're meeting some friends down here at the Boxyard in Tucson, downtown Tucson.
I don't know where you're at.
Quite a happening scene. It's got a bunch of little restaurants and several bars. Fun. It's nice to have friends too. We've been at Desert Trails for about 3 months. And there was a guy named Ron that started a Bible study. Made a really good friend here. His name is Tar, like Tar of Tarsus. And his wife Megan have been a real blessing. Going over to my friend Tar's house and help him with some plumbing. Their bathroom sink is dripping. And he lives in Airstream that was built in the 60s. It's an antique. 66?
Yeah.
This is my friend Tar.
What's up, audience that follows my dear Jesus Freak friend, Mr. John? We are here in beautiful Tucson, Arizona. And this trailer right here, her name is actually Iggy. And it stands for Ecclesia, short, because we are a traveling church known as Airstreaming Jesus.
That's cool. This is the inside of my friend's cool Airstream. And they got a little refrigerator right here in the corner. And then this is their dining, and everyone likes their curtains.
It's a mess right now.
Yeah, it's all right. Everyone loves the curtains. And it has a nice table with a wraparound table. I love that. And then you come around here, and you have the kitchen. And they got plenty of counter space. That's amazing, all that counter space. And you met my friend Tar and his dog Sage. And there is his wife Megan. I love the way they did the aluminum around the ceiling. And they got their bed back there. And Sage is super friendly. And then this is the bathroom. And we're working on the sink. But isn't that a cool sink? And they have a shower. Everything. This is the coolest RV. I love it. And they have it decorated so pretty. Yeah. And otherwise the floors below are vinyl, but they look like wood. Yeah, there's so many good things about this RV I could point out. The only problem is they said that the air conditioner is really noisy. Yeah. So that's a drag.